Good morning. I've played many matches in Chennai, but I've never experienced anything like this. So thanks for this love and affection. I don't know how memorable it will be for you guys to see me here, but for me, definitely this will stay with me for a long time. This is a special experience for me. When I first played for India, which was my dream, my father took me aside and told me that you have reached your landmark. Now what next? So I told him that I'm going to continue playing for India. So he said, everything in life is going to be temporary. You will play cricket for 10, 15 years, maybe 20 years. But what happens beyond that? Because everything is going to be temporary in your life. The only thing which will stay permanently with you till your last breath is the person that you are. The nature of a person has to be good.
At international level. And respect is a position. Cricket is his life, is his passion, and cricket is everything for him. We are thankful to the God of cricket for taking time amidst his busy schedule to be among us. Thank you, sir. On this occasion, my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Tendulkar, who is the woman behind this man, without whom Sachin would not have been what he is today. A zealous thanks to our chairman, M.B. Velammal, for giving Velammal such a golden opportunity to meet the little master. My heartfelt thanks to CEO M.V.M. Velammal, the correspondent M.V.M. Mohan, and the director M.V.M. Kumar.